Hello friends, welcome again. And this is my new project online grocery store. And I have developed this project in Python and Django. The version I'm using is the Python version uh, 3 and the Django version is 2. And means you can run this project on the latest version of the Python, means Python version 3.7 and the Django version 2. Also for database, I'm using the MySQL. For connecting the database with the Python, I'm using the MySQL connector, which you will get easily from the mysql.org website. Also for front-end development, I am using the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. So this is the bootstrap theme. Means according to the screen size, the uh, screen will be fit according to the screen size. Okay. So this is the responsive theme also. Okay. So let's start with the functionality. One more thing, I have used many of the jQuery library also in this project, just like calendar plugin, validation plugin, and for creating the menus, I am using the jQuery plugin, right? Okay, so let's start with the functionality. So the project title is online grocery store, and this is the Python and Django project. Okay, it's a mini project which has only customer functionality. There is no admin functionality in it because in mini project we provide only customer functionality. Means one user role. It will be either customer or it will be either admin, right? So this is the homepage of the project. Okay, this is the about. So this is the totally static page. This is the product. So once you click on the all products, so all the products which you have added into database will be displayed here. So you can see there are 8 products available. So if you want to add more, then you can add any number of products here, right? Also you can filter out the products from here also. These are the types of the product, okay, which you can filter out, right? Okay, some of the category doesn't have the project, then you can add it from database directly. This is the registration. So there is a restriction in this project. Without registration or without login, you will not be able to buy any of the product, right? Then you must have the user ID and password for buying any of the product, for purchasing anything from this project, right? So this is the registration form. If you don't have the user ID and password, then you can register it from here, right? This is the login form from where you will be able to log in. And once you log in, then the dashboard will be appear, and after that you will be able to buy any of the product. This is the contact us. This is the static page, and I'm not sending any type of email and SMS, or I'm not saving the details of this page anywhere into database. That's why it's a static page. Okay, let me log in, right? So the user ID is customer and password is test. So once you log in, then this is the dashboard where you will be able to see the my orders, my account, change password, and log out. This menu option is also available here, right? This is the my order, this is the my account, right? The same menu option also available here. So this is the my orders. So all of the orders which you have made till date, you will be able to get the orders here, right? Also if you want to view the items, then you can view the items here what you have ordered, right? This is the my account section, from where you will be able to see the my account section, and you will be update the account details. This is the change password, from where you will be able to change your account password, right? Okay, so now I am going to order some of the product. So this one, buy now. And how many items do you need? So I need 2 items, right? This is the add to cart, and this items has been added here. So you can see the 2 items. One item per cost is 120, and 2 items are there, and the total cost is 240. So now I am going to add some more items. This is the buy now, and add to cart. Okay, now there are 2 items right here. So there are 2 buttons here: proceed to checkout or continue shopping. So once you click on the proceed to checkout, local payment gateway will be appeared, right? And I am not making any type of external leads. I am not saving the details of this page, and this is a dummy page. Okay, no real transaction is going to be done from this page. So you can enter any type of garbage data here. So I am entering any of the garbage data, and that's expiry date, and make payment. Once you make the payment, you will get the receipt. This is the receipt, right, with 2 items, and you paid 360 rupees, right? Okay, so this is the order ID, and you can see your orders here, right? So this you can see the last order, right? Okay, so this is the my order sections. As I told you earlier, if you want to cancel the order, then you can cancel the orders here from here. Sorry, I think there is some issue. I will fix that. Okay, so This is all about the project. One more thing I want to show you. So the above menu is totally dynamic and it's totally session driven. If you log out from the system, then the above menu will not be displayed, right? So let me show you. This is not displaying, the administration menu is not displaying, and if you log in, then the above administration menu is displaying, right? So this is totally session driven menu, right? So this is all about my project online grocery store, which I had developed in Python. And if you need more functionality in this project, just put it into the comment. I will incorporate those changes and I will make this project more better and better according to our requirements. And don't forget to subscribe our channel for getting the latest video updates on the latest technologies. Thanks for watching the video. Thank you very much.